If you visit a large mall in Japan, one thing you're almost certain to see is a game arcade. Despite the spread of online games played at home, constant innovation and unique attractions keep people coming to these arcades. The most popular games are those that require both physical and mental skills to win. An example is this game, using a traditional wadaiko drum. You score points by beating the drum exactly in time to the ever-changing display. Beating the drum is a great feeling. The popularity of such active games inspired the creation of this new centre. Its attractions combine games and sports. In this game, players run from side to side, tilting the seesaw to move the ball on screen into the basket. This is their most popular game. Players race to beat different animals projected on the wall behind them. It's the first game of the kind in the world. I beat him! One familiar game remains so popular it accounts for 60% of Japanese arcade sales. It's the crane game. Yes, the classic game using a crane with a claw to pick up prizes. It's really simple to operate with just 2 buttons to move the crane to your target. The secret of its popularity is the prizes, unique items you can only get by playing this game. Children and parents alike love to play it. The unique attraction of the crane game is the tension. Whether you just catch the prize or just miss it, it's always a thrill. These are magical machines that make everyone smile. How popular are crane games? This dedicated arcade has an incredible 350 of them. Prizes come in all shapes and sizes. For such a simple concept, winning takes quite a lot of skill. The arcade offers a training program with tests and certificates to help players improve their technique. Training is done on the actual machines. The instructor is Igarashi Naoya, a professional gamer. Here, he's demonstrating how to pick up a box, one of the more difficult objects to grab firmly. First, move one of the open arms right next to the prize. Then when the arms close, it will shift the prize to one side. Stuffed animals easily fall out of the claws. The trick is to press the center of the crane onto the animal to make 3 points of contact. For a pile of small animals, it's easiest to just break up the pile. Other techniques include hooking onto straps or pushing objects over the edge. Players need many techniques to handle all the possibilities. Much of the appeal of crane games lies in the multiple strategies required to win. It's such fun! I think it made my game a bit better. Now for the test. The hardest technique is to hook the claws under the sides of a box top. The youngest challenger today is a girl who's come with her dad. Wow! I've never seen someone so young manage it before. Well done! Game arcades remain popular with all ages. They act as community spaces for people to enjoy playing together.